Alright, Master Designers. Much like the Cumber Moro fusion that I've mastered in the past, there is another fusion that I've wanted to draw up before my college years started. Tonight we're going to draw the fusion of both Top the Destroyer and Lord Tuffle. Oh, sorry, take two. Tonight we're going to draw the fusion of Lord Tuffle, that I've been calling him, and Top the Destroyer. I don't know how Lord Tuffle managed to get his hands on Top's abilities. For some reason, I've never would have guessed that someone who wanted to save his past would use a destroyer god's body. He did the same thing with Beerus. That's something that I'm gonna start drawing up real soon. Be sure to stay tuned for that. That is if I remember to draw that stuff. Here's his hand. There we go. Here's the God of Destruction mark on his chest. For some reason, I sometimes forgotten that thing is actually part of Top the Destroyer's aura. I don't really understand why the designers thought to put that in the middle of his abs. But, I suppose that's a good idea. I know he doesn't really have that God of Destruction aura that surrounds him. But, yeah, you get the idea. Okay, then. Morning. I think that Top's feet are like tuffle shoes. This is like that time I drew Moro and Broly fused. And finished. There he is, folks. That's how you draw Top the Destroyer fused with Baby. And well, I don't know about you, but I think it's time I showed you some of my Thumb Wrestling Federation stuff. Our today's pick will be Cleet Cunningham versus Billy Batboy versus Cleet Cunningham. I saw this on Fandom. Cleet Cunningham versus the Visitor. Cleet versus Scoutmaster Scott. Itsy Bitsy versus Mahi Mahi Mindy and Snagglefangs. Those are my favorites. By the way, Visitor and Cleet was my idea. I found this picture of Billy Batboy and Cleet on Fandom, which I plan on doing. And, well, I think Mindy and Itsy Bitsy should go head-to-head. I don't know about the other two, but That should be a good idea. Anyways, that's all for now, guys.